Hello my dear student, this is my next video on chapter sources of energy. In this video we will do about the improvement in technology to increase the efficiency of any source of energy. Before that you are requested to please to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. And in comment box you can write your name, class, section and roll number and your queries. I will give the answers of your queries also. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is biomass. What is biomass? Plants and animals waste which can be used as a fuel is called biomass. So plants and animal waste which can be used as a fuel is called biomass. As you are watching, it is a plants and animal waste, so it is a renewable source of energy. How it can be renewable? It is a renewable source of energy if more and more plants are grown periodically. Traditionally, nowadays also you are watching in remote areas and village, cow dung cakes and wood are used as a fuel. However, you know it, when we are using these sources as fuel, they do not produce much heat on burning. Also, they release a lot of smoke when they are burnt. It means they create a lot of air pollution also. So by technology improvement, we can increase the efficiency of these fuel, and moreover, we can decrease the level of the pollution created by these fuels. So first we will do about wood, then we will do about first we will do about wood and then we will do about another cow dung cake. So let's do about wood as an indirect method. Means directly so you are using it by burning it. But what is indirect method? When wood is burnt in a limited supply of oxygen or in the absence of air, water and volatile material present in wood get removed and a solid residue is left behind, and that is known as charcoal, or this process is known as destructive distillation of wood. Means by improvement of technology, we can convert wood into charcoal, and then that charcoal is used as a fuel, and charcoal is much better fuel than the wood. So let's do that now, how charcoal is a better fuel than wood. Now let's do about charcoal. Charcoal is obtained by destructive distillation of wood. So because of that method, charcoal become very expensive than wood. Because 1 kilogram of wood produces only 250 gram of charcoal. But still charcoal is a better source of energy or fuel than wood. Let's do the point. How can we say that charcoal is a better source of energy? First, when it burns, when charcoal burns, it does not produce any smoke. So whereas wood produces the smoke. Second, it occupies very less space. Third, it burns easily as compared to wood. Wood takes time to burn, whereas it burns easily. It has high heat generation efficiency than wood. What does it mean? Heat generation capacity is higher than the wood. Means wood produces less heat as compared to the charcoal, and charcoal produces more heat as compared to wood. So by these points or process, we can say that charcoal is a better fuel than wood. But still charcoal have its own disadvantage also. Because of that, we can't use it as a domestic fuel. So let's do that. Why we can't use as a domestic fuel? So we have seen that charcoal is a better fuel than wood. Now let's do what are the disadvantages by which we cannot use it as a domestic fuel for commercial purpose. So first point for this is, although it is a cleaner and better source of heat energy than wood, but it is very expensive fuel. Why it is very expensive? Because 1 kilogram of wood produces only 250 gram of charcoal. Because of that process, it becomes very expensive. As you know that I have said 1 kilogram of wood produce only 250 gram of charcoal. So a large amount of wood is required to produce charcoal for commercial purpose, which leads to deforestation, and that deforestation causes imbalance of the ecosystem. So to avoid all these problems, basically to disturb the ecosystem or expensive of fuel is there, it is suggested that कि charcoal is not used as a domestic fuel. So this is all about wood and charcoal we have done today. In next class we will do about biogas, ki how we can convert cow dung cakes or domestic waste into biogas or cleaner fuel. For today this is there. Today bye bye, take care.